Hello everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you ever had a really useful ChatGPT conversation and wanted to save it as a PDF or Word document for work, studying, sharing with others, or just in case you lose it later? Here are two easy ways to do it. One common way is using the print feature. First, select the conversation content you want to export. Then right-click and choose Print. Then click Print to save it as PDF. This method works, but it's a bit inconvenient. It saves continuous conversations together, so you can't freely choose exactly which parts you want to export. And it also only exports as a PDF, which means you can't edit it easily like a Word document. If you want more flexibility, using a ChatGPT export extension is a much better option. You can export conversations as either PDF or fully editable Word files, and even select only the specific parts you want to save. Here's how to do it. If you're using Microsoft Edge, search for Edge Add-on Store. If you're using Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store. Then you can search for Convert ChatGPT to PDF or Export ChatGPT. You'll see many different extensions available, and you can choose one that supports the file format you need. Open the extension page and click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will ask whether you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension, and wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. Then go back to ChatGPT and refresh the page. You'll see that the extension has been successfully installed. You can now see different icons in the top right corner, each representing a different export format. If you want to export as a PDF, simply click the PDF icon, and it will automatically convert the entire conversation into a PDF file. You can see the PDF opens instantly with all the conversation content neatly saved. Exporting as a Word document works the same way. Just click the Word icon, and it will generate a fully editable Word file. You can easily open the document and continue editing the content however you want. What if you only want to save part of the conversation? That's possible too. You'll notice there's a selection box icon in the top right corner. Click it, and you can choose exactly which messages you want to export. After that, the process is the same as before. Just choose the format you want, and your selected content will be exported in seconds. Now you've got exactly the content you need, saved in a much cleaner and more flexible way. Try this today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.